Look at the fire pits. Awesome.
I know, I'm so excited to play with them. Oh, I like the design on that. Even if it wasn't on purpose. It might have been on purpose.
Probably. That's what you see in like the zigzag.
Uh-huh.
That is where the ice that they make in pipes and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
that's the skeleton that they build on.
Oh.
And then they'll run sprinkler systems over this. I'm not sure how exactly they put the water. That's part of their secrets.
Okay.
But they put water through this, and as the water runs down, it drips off of those things and then forms the icicles that we're photographing.
That is neat. Alright, Trina's going that way. I am apparently going into the exit. Just going to the enter. I guess we're gonna follow Trina that way. Oh, the colors. Trina, that's a really small exit.
Yes.
Are we supposed to climb over that?
Yes, please.
Okay. I didn't bring my cleats, but here we go.
All right. Good luck.
Okay, let's do it again. Oh my goodness. Now they tell me not to climb.
Not that way, honey. That's to leave. Come this way.
Oh my god. I am so freaking cold, but this is so freaking cool. Like, just the menagerie they have here. Oh, there's a hole. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a little slide. Oh, we got slides to go down. Oh, look, it's another one. Like, I have no idea where Trina is, and this is much more of a maze than the actual maze was. Oh, I really want to go through that, but I'm so freaking fat. I'll think about it. But look at this. This is so fucking cool. I need this in my life.
Anna and Elsa and Olaf are alive. And they're doing a fire
There's
show
Trina.
that starts at 6. Isn't it cool?
Hey Trina, I found a hole in the wall.
Really?
And then guess what?
What?
There was another hole in the wall.
Oh no.
And then I was lost
Uh-oh.
because there were holes in the wall.
That sucks.
It was more of a maze than the maze was.
And not surprising. This thing is massive.
Yeah, like on the other side there is a little toboggan thing with a slide.
Uh-huh.
I'm like, oh my god, I don't have to like put my ass on the ice this time.
Yeah.
There's a sled.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna stick my head in this. We're gonna see what happens. Do not climb. I'm not climbing. I'm looking. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. You could like fit in there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh, it's cool. Ooh. I guess get the snow off my gloves before they melt, huh? Look at all the mushrooms. Or jellyfishes. There's like jellyfishes everywhere. Yeah, look at little jellyfishes. Like you got the oyster mushrooms going over there. You got the jellyfishes going over there. I'm so lost. It's great. Look what I scored. I scored fresh unmolested snow. Oh, it's a snow mountain. No, I got 2 feet, no hands. I got the snow. Do not break icicles. Why would anybody break those? Asshats. I got it. I can go, those are mine. Gonna stick my head in this hole. And I'm wiser and it's warmer. Freezing my ass off. Oh my God. It's a bridge. Super excited because it's been snowing all day and it's gonna be hell driving home, but this was so worth it. Like, this is ridiculously cool. We found another hole in the wall. Going on a treasure hunt. Excuse me. Holy crap. I don't know where to go. Dude. This is so cool. So popped out. There's more blocks. Not sure what the blocks are for, but there's more blocks. Maybe it's a game? They're so cute. I'm going back this way. We're gonna look for a different route. Ooh, almost died. Almost died, no dying. I ain't got time for that shit. Oops, you're fine. It's so cute. I got and lost the Trina, cause I'm really good at that. Oh, there she is. Watch this. Watch this. Hi.
Hiya.
I was like, I scared the crap out of her, but I have been found. Did I make it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was like, am I dying? I'm too fat for this. You want me to go yell at him?
No. Ah, taking a picture here, taking a picture here.
That's right. I go get him.
No, no.
Whew. Would we be able to take a photo real quick of the...
Oh, yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Come this way. Claire, come here.
Trina?
Claire, come this way, honey. They're going to take a picture. Come here, babe. Well, no.
Yeah, she just wants one of the hall.
Come here. I know, I told you to.
She good? Are we good?
What are your name?
Missy, what's your name?
Claire.
Claire.
Okay, let's go see.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Here, we'll stand in there now. Take a picture.
Did you get what you wanted?
Claire, right here.
Cool. Oh yeah, if my pants don't fall down. So I have a fat issue, but I really want to climb in there.
Yeah, but that you signed a loop or a climb.
I know, I'm all sad.
Isn't it that you're fat? You're not supposed to.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise you would.
Okay, good. We'll go for that. I feel better now. Thank you. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? 6.
6. What time is it?
Close to 6.
Oh, okay.
Exactly how close to 6, I'm not sure.